How to add music to YouTube search. First of all, open up your YouTube application. Now at the bottom center of the screen, tap on the plus icon. Now for example, it's record a short. Now if you want to add music, at the top part of your screen, tap on add sound. Now select the music you want to add. Now tap on the arrow icon. Now tap on the tick icon. Now go to next. Now tap on upload short. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.